Hey, welcome in. I'm Travel Queen 2.0, and I'm so excited to show you something we just refreshed behind the scenes. If you've ever thought about working from home in the travel industry as a travel agent, travel creator, travel blogger, or travel influencer, this is exactly where you want to start. We've officially updated our travel agent workshop, and this version is a game changer. Before, the workshop was a full 1 hour presentation, and while it was powerful, we knew people wanted something easier to digest without losing the value. So now, instead of one long video, the workshop is broken down into short, focused segments, and you can choose the videos that interest you the most. And just to be clear, this has always been a collaborative presentation. You'll still hear from Coach Lavonda, the original travel queen, along with other experienced leaders on the team who help explain how different parts of the travel business work. Inside the workshop, you'll see 8 short videos plus a bonus video, all designed to break down how the travel business works, how people earn in travel, and what paths are available, whether you want to sell travel, create content, or build something bigger over time. You can also scroll through real team testimonials, see how everyday people are building in this industry, and follow a simple step-by-step breakdown of how to get started if you decide it's a fit for you. And right now, just for checking out the updated workshop, you'll also see where we're giving away a 4-night cruise voucher as a thank you for watching the video series. No pressure, no fluff, just clear information, real voices, and a simple path to getting started. So if you're ready to learn how you can earn in your own travel business and step onto the money-making side of travel, head to where it says join the Travel Queen and start with the Travel Agent Workshop. We can't wait to welcome you to the money-making side of travel.